Drivers in Modesto, especially at intersections like Mitchell Road and Tenaya Drive, must slow down and be prepared to stop when pedestrians are nearby. This is especially important when the pedestrian may be elderly or visually impaired. California law requires drivers to show extra caution around pedestrians. If a collision occurs, the driver must stay at the scene and assist the injured person in getting medical attention. If found negligent, a driver may be held liable for the victim's medical bills, rehabilitation, and other damages. Even if a pedestrian crosses outside of a marked crosswalk, drivers are not automatically cleared of responsibility. However, those cases can be more complicated, and sorting out liability may require legal expertise. At Maison Law in Modesto, we help victims of pedestrian accidents navigate the legal process and pursue accountability. We don't charge legal fees unless we win your case. If you or a loved one was injured in a pedestrian accident in Modesto, contact Maison Law for a free consultation.